Welcome to Dhruvan's world! Hi, I'm Dhruvan. Welcome to Dhruvan's world, and today I'm going to do an experiment with plants. Now, I grow a lot of fruits and vegetables. Yeah, and I'm going to show them. Okay, so that's my tomatoes. Now, these are my potatoes. I'm growing them. These are my broad beans, collard beans, and French beans. And this is 3 courgette plants. And this is my Indian bean. This is also known as chikodokaya. That's Indian bean in India. Another courgette, another tomato plant, and another courgette. These are my capsicums. These are my chilies. And this is my sunflower plant. This is my bottle gourd. And then marigolds. These are my Indian melon called dorsakaya. We're also growing this lettuce. This is my lettuce. This is my spinach. This is my brinjal. This is my mirchi. These are some 2 sorakayas, and this is my red gourd, also known as birakaya. That's birakaya in this is how you need to grow plants. Now, as you all know, plants need sunlight, water, seeds, and soil to grow. Now, as you know, we human beings need sunlight, water, food for our survival. I believe the same thing that plants need is sunlight and water. So, I do a small project. I'd like to observe this from day 1 to day 10. Now, all we need for this project we need seeds, a pot, and some soil. This is compost. I did some labels for my farm. Now, I'm going to stick the labels onto the pot. Like, now I'm going to fill the pot with the soil. Then use a trowel and put soil in. Fill all the pots with soil. Now I finished filling all the soil on the pot. Now I'm gonna put some seeds. As you know, I'm using fenugreek seeds, also known as mayday seeds. Now let's sow them in this. Yup. And with this one, now let's cover the seeds, sprinkle Still I want to see it like this. Cover the seeds. We need that to cover the seeds. Now I'm going to explain exactly which experiment I'm going to do now. Look, experiment 1, I'm going to treat it as people most treat plants, but this one, this pot has fallen seeds in it. I'm going to water it every day, and I'm going to let sunlight touch it. I'm going to place it in the sunlight. So now, I'll pour some water. Now, as you know, it's damp now. Turn the label to you. You'll definitely identify which. Now, I did with this pot, but I'm not doing that with these 3 pots. Now, with these 3, now for this one, I'll be having seeds, water, but I'm not going to give it sunlight. Also water in this third one. I'm going to place this indoor, not under the sunlight. For experiment number 3, I'm going to give it, I put soil seeds, I'm going to place it in sunlight, but not water it. But then, now, I didn't give it water. Now, let's see what's going to happen to this one. Now, this is experiment number 4. We only put soil and seeds in this one. We don't need to add water and sunlight. Let's see what's going to happen. Now, are they going to grow nicely after 10 days? I'm going to absorb these pots from 10 days from now. I'm going to record my observations in my sheet. Now here's the sheet. Now, when I update every day, now, when it's growing nicely in a spring, I'll use green color text. If it's not, I'm going to use red color text. Let's see how it's going to do. See you later. Okay, so now I'm back after 10 days. Let's see the result. Okay, for this plant, it's very good experiment. Yep. This thing has this. Okay, experiment number 1 part. Well, experiment number 1 is this part, which needs sun, water, and seed. Okay, this part is experiment number 1, and which needs hi. I'm back after 10 days, and here are my 4 pots. I'm looking after these plants all 10 days, and here's the results. Let's look at the experiment number 1. Now the result is that's growing very nice and green. Nice, very nice. This pot has sun and water, and this one is growing very nicely. Yep. And also, as you know, this one has got sun and water. That's why it grows very healthy. Look at the experiment number 2. See what the results are. This one has water, no sun, but now look. Growing nice, managed to make it, but it's sort of not very healthy, and it's not much good as this one. Let's look at experiment number 3. This one has only sun and no water. Let's see the result. So now, yep, maybe only few upgrade curve. Only 5. Yep, and it's quite short, and this might have germinated only of sun because of the sunlight, but still not quite happy, and these ones are knocked over. But let's look at experiment number 4. Yep. Okay, so this is experiment number 4. It has no sun and water. Let's check the results. Wow. No germination. Yep. As you know, and you can see, I can see all seeds as it is, and also a result of these 4 experiments. I have learned that plants need sunlight and water to survive and to grow healthy. If it grows healthy, we get vegetables and fruits. We get lots of oxygen, and oxygen is very good for our lungs. We need to make homemade fertilizers for the plants and as food. So it gives us healthy fruit and vegetables. And it's not good to use pesticides. If you spray pesticides on the plants, they may survive, but when you use the vegetables or fruits that come from the plant, there's some pesticides in them which is not good. When we eat that, it will go into the tummy and damage our health. So that's why it's good to eat organic, own vegetables in the garden. Growing organic plants is very good for your health. Now, we should not throw plastic in the ocean or rubbish. We also need to be kind to animals. I need to be healthy, my plant needs to be healthy. I need to keep myself healthy, and I should keep my plants healthy as well. So now, this is how we can be healthy and we can save the planet Earth. Don't throw plastic in the ocean. We can save plants and Earth if we don't do that. Be happy, be healthy, and always keep smiling. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.